Hey guys, so thanks for joining me again. Today I have somebody special in the kitchen with me. This is my niece, Hailey. She is going to help me make my cheesy hamburger pasta. I think you guys are gonna really love it. Okay, so while I'm browning this meat, let me get turned on. She is going to get our seasonings ready. We have a lot of really good seasonings over there. So, Hailey, can you get our seasonings ready for us?
Open all the lids?
Yes. Go ahead and start putting them into our little mixing cup. Okay, so right here I just have 1 pound of ground beef, and this is, I'm using a lean ground beef. Perfect. I'm using a lean ground beef right here. You can use whatever kind of ground beef that you like. I just like that I don't have to drain off a lot of fat. Okay, so she just added in paprika, and I'll take that, okay? And now she's gonna add in garlic. I think I'm gonna turn my heat up a little bit so y'all aren't watching us play with this forever.
I did it perfect.
You did do it perfect. And just use a nice big high-sided skillet and it will be perfect, so you don't even have to use multiple dishes. Right here we're going to cook the pasta and the meat, all of it, right in one pot. Yes.
When you lifted that up, I felt the heat.
You did?
Yeah.
That's because I have it on medium high, so I can cook this ground beef. I'm going to move this. So I'm just moving the seasonings out of her way while she gets them ready so she remembers what she has and hasn't added in. Now,
This was perfect.
that is perfect. Now she's adding in a teaspoon of onion powder. So this is garlic and onion powder, not garlic and onion salt. Don't use the seasonings with salt added in. You don't need all that extra salt. Just regular garlic powder and onion powder. And now she is adding in our salt. She's gonna get a teaspoon of salt. That looks good. And what I have her doing is she is putting it into a dish that that she can easily just put a lid on and shake up nice and neat. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and season my ground beef a little bit.
Okay,
I'll take it. Okay, now she's adding just a little bit of sugar.
yeah.
Perfect. We only have a couple of ingredients left to go in. There you go. Absolutely love these containers. Did you see how easy this was for her? That's it. Seals wonderful.
I'm done with this one.
Okay, thank you.
This one gets the big one.
That one gets the big scoop. So now she's on to the cornstarch, and she's going to put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in. You know, I've decided Hailey makes me look really short right now, doesn't she?
I tried it.
She is taller than me. I look really short. Perfect. I mean, yeah, I am short, but she makes me look extra short, huh? Perfect. Okay, this out of your way. Sorry. And our final seasoning. Pepper.
One.
Yes. So for the pepper, we're only doing a 1/4 teaspoon because you've already got paprika in it. So it's like a pepper too. It's perfect.
I smell it. It smells very good.
I'm glad you think so. She is the absolute perfect sous chef. Guys, don't be afraid to bring the kids into the kitchen. They can really help a lot. And it's such a perfect learning opportunity for them. Okay, do you need some help?
Yeah. To make sure.
There. Now shake it up. So now The reason why I put it in a dish that we can put a lid on is so she can shake it up really well. So we've got the ground beef about 50% cooked. I need to cook it up a little bit more, and then we'll be ready for the seasoning. So guys, we have been doing a lot of interesting stuff on my channel, and one of the new recipes that I am working on are popsicles. They're super kid friendly, not a lot of sugar, mostly just the natural sugars that come from the fruits. And so, these special popsicles that we are going to do, Hailey, do you want to show everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, what are they? Can you get them?
These.
Unicorn popsicles. So guys, tune into my channel. Keep an eye out because we are going to be doing unicorn popsicles very soon. And I think Hailey will make a reappearance on my channel when it's time for the popsicles. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is pretty much cooked through. So now Hailey is going to add our seasonings in. Okay, sweetie, go ahead.
Open the lid.
Yep, open the lid. It's tight. Can you get it open?
Yeah.
I'm picturing the seasonings flying out everywhere. It's hard to open. Good job. Okay. There we go.
This, the milk.
That's right. So we're going to toast this up.
And then we put that large thing, and then
She is on top of it.
the pasta and the cheese.
Yes. So, exactly like Hailey said, after I get this toasted up, which it just about is, and guys, it smells amazing. So after I get this done, we are going to add 2 cups of milk.
It smells amazing.
I agree. I'm so glad you like it. 2 cups of milk.
And it's brown.
1
Darker.
cup of chicken stock. And then we're going to start adding the pasta. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. And it goes. You can use 2 hands. I know it's big. Good job. Okay, here's the milk. So, here's 1 cup right here. Do you see 1 cup?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to fill this up to 1 cup?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
What if I put too much?
that's okay. If you pour too much, we'll deal with it. You're doing great. It's
So
okay.
1 cup is to that 12.
Right here. I'll put my finger here for you. You're doing really good. So Hailey is going to fill up our measuring cup with 1 cup of chicken broth.
Right
A little bit more. Up to like that line. I know my finger's not quite there. Just a touch more.
there. Right there.
Almost. A little more. Good job. Okay, you want to pour it in here?
Yeah.
She's just going to pour it right in here. And guys, so let your kids...
Right now?
Yeah, go ahead. Let your kids try it. Let them measure it out and pour it in for you. If they mess up and put too much, that's okay. Just let it cook down a little bit longer. And if they pour too little, that's even easier to handle. You just add a little bit more. It's super easy things to fix. Let the kids help in the kitchen. That's okay. That's okay. You know what? Part of what I do on this channel, I spill all the time. Not on purpose, but I accidentally spill all the time, don't I, guys?
Where's the
Okay, go ahead. Okay, so I have just turned the burner up to high because we are about to start cooking our pasta. And I think I'm just gonna add a little more. That was about half a cup more, guys, because I have to cook the pasta and I want to make sure there's enough liquid in here to cook the pasta. So like I said, it's okay if you put a little bit too much because it's something that can be fixed. So as soon as this comes to a boil, guys, we're going to pour the pasta in.
Can I go see if Jacob wants to do too?
Sure. Okay. This is looking good. We need to get it up on high. And then we put our pasta in. You can use whatever kind of pasta you want. I am going to use penne. You can also use elbow macaroni, anything like that. Just something nice and good that you would want for kind of a meaty, cheesy pasta. Okay, so now we are at a boil, so it's time to add our pasta. So, now do you want to stir or do you want to add the pasta?
Add the pasta.
Okay, be careful because it is open.
Hold
And
it now.
add it all in. Okay, woo! Now, seeing all this pasta in here,
Can I mix it now?
yes, you go ahead and mix it.
Smells good.
Thank you. We do not quite have enough liquid, guys, so I'm gonna add about another cup. Yeah, just stir like this. Perfect. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Can I start a little?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna just give it a little stir here. And then we're gonna put the lid on and we are going to let this cook.
I see a unicorn.
She's looking at the unicorn popsicles. Okay.
The unicorn face.
Okay guys, so everything's in. Let's let the pasta cook. You need to cook it for the amount of time that the package says. So it's gonna be about 8 minutes. So I will see y'all in 8 minutes. Okay guys, so this is done. The pasta is done cooking. Check this out. Okay, check this out. Look at how much this has swelled up.
It smells good.
I am glad you think so. Okay. That's all the kids in the house. Okay, so now I'm just gonna give this a little mix and we are going to add the cheese.
Can I pour the cheese?
Yes, I'm gonna scoop and you pour.
That in?
I'm gonna scoop. Okay guys, so right here I have some sharp cheddar cheese that I've shredded myself. Now-
I really like it.
She does like it. Okay, so I'm gonna scoop up a cup. And here you go, Haley. You pour it on in. Good job. Okay, so that's okay. Just don't get on. Yeah, there you go.
Can I eat it?
Okay, we're gonna need to add a little bit more cheddar because I did use more pasta this time than I normally did because I wanted to feed a lot of people. So, here we go.
Okay, come and go time out again.
Okay, one more scoop.
Can I pour
Here you go, sweetie. Go ahead, right on in. Good job. Okay guys, so I've got a pound of pasta in here, so I'm gonna do 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese for my 1 pound of pasta. Shut the door, please. 2 cups of cheddar cheese for my 1 pound of pasta. If you do just half a box, which is what I normally do, then you only need 1 cup of cheese. Guys, this looks wonderful. Okay,
Amazing. I like it.
good. Now I'm also gonna add some parm. Parm will add a nice salty flavor. Yes, there we go, and that's about a half cup. And mix it in. I think you're all gonna really like this. Okay guys, it is all mixed in. So now I'm gonna let it cool down for a few minutes and we're gonna give it a try. Bye. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture. Okay, here we go. So I have got. That's Cohen.